Okay guys, welcome back again. We're going to check out the Hart, what's it called? A 3-in-1 rolling toolbox. This does have a limited 3-year warranty like all the other products do. They all have the limited 3-year warranty on them. But this toolbox, pretty massive. And it's got the rolling wheels, you know, it's got the handle that you can pull up here at the top. And then you just tilt it back on the wheel and it rolls nice and easy. To put it down, you slide your handle over here back off to the side. I know it's hard to see. Put it down. It does have a handle here though too, where you can just pick it up and carry it. Although I feel when this is full with tools, it's going to be kind of heavy. At least with the tools that I'm going to be putting in. I got a bag right here behind me that I've been using. It's too heavy, it's too small. One toolbox is going to be as much as that bag. And I looked at some of the Hart bags, thought, man, I'll get a bigger bag. They're about the same size as the one I've been using that I had just laying around the house. So I really don't want to carry 2 bags. I want just one thing. So these stack together pretty nice and easy. To release the toolboxes though, 2 little levers on the sides. We'll show you there. You just slide it up, let it fall. She's unlatched. You do that for both sides. I forgot to do the other side completely. Pick it up. Here's your one toolbox. Okay? Put that off to the side for a minute though. Your other toolbox with the wheels on it. Just a nice empty bin. You know what I'm going to put in there. That's where my power cord is going to go. And maybe some of the other stuff. Maybe my tool belt might go in there too. Just so that it's nice, easy, quick place to put it. So to put the toolbox back on top, you just set it right back down. Make sure it's in there. Little holes here. You pull up on the side and get it to the top tilted in. Pull her down. She's latched. You even got a spot on here where you can put a lock if you wanted to. Same thing goes for the other side, and also it also has a place where you can put a lock if you really wanted to. But for now, we need to go over the top of the box, right? What? Yes, the top of the box. Now, this thing is pretty cool. I'm sorry about the light, guys. I really am. That's a little better? A little better? No. Maybe it is. I don't know. Anyway, the main part of the toolbox, the top part of the toolbox, anyway, the top part of the toolbox is pretty cool in and of itself. You got a couple latches up here at the top, which give you places to put bits, screws, whatever, anything you want. You got one for each side, and there's 2 compartments in each that can be used to put stuff in. You also got this drawer that slides out. Holy heck, what is that? A nice little plastic container with more carrying capacity to put screws, bolts, nuts, washers, anything you might need. You could actually put your bits in here too if you wanted. I'm just saying. The ones you frequently use, you know, if you wanted to take them out of their boxes and put them in there, you could easily do that. She slides right back in though, nice and easy. To open the box though, it's going to be the same as the sides. Lift up on the lever, let her fall, and then she opens right up. Sorry. We'll forget I did that. Just ignore that that wasn't there. So inside the box, you have a nice little tray here to hold some tools, put some things in. Nice, easy access. That's why that was open. And then you also have the nice empty case to put more stuff underneath it. And I didn't slide that bottom piece in very good, did I? No, I didn't. It was underneath of it. So, you know, we'll be able to put some toolkits down in there. Put it on top. Lock her up. Back her back up on the other box. Lock her in, and we're good to go home for the day. How about that? Awesome, awesome little toolkit. Awesome little, and it's got wheels, guys. It's got wheels. You sit there and pull your little lever up, tilt her, and roll. Roll. This table is not very level. It's not really a table. It's a piece of wood. It's okay though. But like I said before though, to put that down, you're gonna slide this over. Okay? Just slide her and put her down. Other than that, if she's up, she's locked in there, she's not gonna move on you until you slide that over and then put her down. It's so simple, it's beautiful. What else does the Hart have? I'm enjoying this. And their tools are fairly cheap. We're gonna put, inexpensive is the correct word, not cheap. They're made by the same company that does Ryobi and Milwaukee. So I think it's Milwaukee. I think. 90% sure. I could be wrong. I will put the link for this down below in the description so you can check that out. As far as I know, it's only available at Walmart. But I mean, really, these things are just being solid. Beautiful looking. Nice little color scheme, black and blue, white and black, white, blue, and black. I like it. We're about to get this sticker up there because I don't want that sticker on there. We hope she peels off pretty easily. I'm sure she will. There we go, she's off there. Nice pretty black surface for it. So let's go on with our Hart tools. Next video.